I think women have to learn how to make the ask. It's easy for me to ask for money for you. It really is.
Mhm.
I would much rather ask for money. I worked at the food bank. I would much rather ask for money for a hungry child than to ask for money for me. And when I do ask for money for me to run for political office, I have a natural inclination to say, and in exchange for which I will give you this. But in politics, one, you can't say that, it's illegal. It'll get you thrown in jail. But second, yeah, you can't make a promise that you are unlikely to keep. So women need to learn how to make the ask. They need to get used to making the ask, understanding that they are probably the best candidate for whatever office they're running for, and they don't apologize for it. I think that's they. I think that's the big hurdle when it comes to running for statewide office.